this video tutorial, we are going to control the LED using LDR, or you can say photoresistor. The components we need: Arduino UNO board, one breadboard, one LDR, which is the photoresistor. We need one LED. We need two resistors, which are of resistance 220 ohms, and we need some wires. So starting up, we will start up with the LED. So LED is having two pins. The longer one is the positive, the shorter one is the negative. So connected to the breadboard. This one is the longer, which means positive. This one is the negative. I will place it over here. Done. Now I will take one resistor of 220 ohms resistance. Now place it over here. Place it to the positive pin. Connect the terminal 1 of the resistor to the LED's positive pin, and take the terminal 2 and place one wire, and take the negative pin of the LED, and we're going to connect the negative pin of the LED to the G and D, means ground, and again we are going to connect the positive pin using the resistor, the terminal 2 of the resistor. We're gonna connect it to the 13 digital pin. Right, now we are done with the LED. Now we will use the LDR or photoresistor. Place it over here. It don't have a positive, negative, the both work same. So place it over here. Now take one wire and connect it to the first terminal. Now you need one more resistor, the same resistor of 220 ohms resistance, and now place it to the terminal 2 of LDR like this. Now like this. Now you'll be taking up this pin over here, the terminal 2 pin, but not the terminal 2 of resistor, but with the terminal 2 of LDR, and connect it. So first we will connect this yellow wire. It will go to the 5 volt of Arduino. Done. Now take the center pin, this one. It will go in the analog 1 A1 pin. These pins over here are the analog pins. So we will connect it to the A1, analog 1, and take the terminal 2 of resistor and connect it to the G and D pin. Now we are done with the connections. Now we will write the code in Arduino software. It's time for coding now. So at first, before void setup, we will define some pins, which is constant and LED pin. In stand for integer. So we have connected LED to 13 pin, and we will take constant and LDR pin, which I have connected to analog 1 or A1 pin. Now in the void setup, what actually I will do, I will define the pins that whether they are giving input or they are giving output. And void setup always runs once. So over here, at first I will write serial dot begin by 9600. So what actually it will do, the Arduino UNO board will start communicating with computer at this way. And next I'm gonna write pin mode LED pin to be as output. Spelling should be capital. And we will take the same thing, LDR pin to be as input. Now we are done with the void setup. We will go to void loop. In this, I'm gonna write LDR status. LDR status, which is equal into analog read, which is the LDR pin. So it will take the LDR status from analog pin. Now over here, we will start up with the if condition. If LDR status is lesser than or equal to, this is the darkness. Now over here, what it will do, if this much darkness is over there. So let me zoom in. Yeah, so in this I will write digital write LED pin to be high. High spelling should be capital. Next I will write serial dot print line. So I will print inside this double quotes. So LDR is dark. LDR is dark. LED is we're done with this. I will copy the same code. And in the next, I'm gonna write else condition. Same thing I'm gonna copy, but this will be low. And I will print nothing. So I will use this one for showing nothing. Now connect your Arduino UNO board and upload the code. Over here, you will take 2 brackets. Now upload this code. It's being compiled and it's uploading also. Now it's done uploading. So open the serial monitor and you will be able to see this. It is showing that LED is not glowing because there is no darkness till now. So let me create darkness now. Now it is dark, so it is printing LED. LDR is dark, LED is on. Now let me not make it dark. Now it is not dark, it is not, the LED is not on. It shows that our project is working fine.